Stock market has been making new and new heights, and the best stocks in stock market are making tremendous returns. So yes, there are many professional traders who are making fortune out of these markets. And you might wonder, what are actually the best approaches if you are a stock day trader? What are the correct strategies within day trading itself? What are the best risk management tools? What are the best ways how you could actually maximize gains and minimize your losses? And maybe there is actual way how you could make money once the stock market will have its eventual correction? All these are good questions, and luckily for you, this video will help you answer these crucial questions, because now I'll be showing you the best day trading approaches with stock market. Before anything, I have to say one thing: trading is trading, and regardless whether you trade crypto, forex, commodities or stocks, approaches are similar, and especially with day trading. So these strategies with slight adjustments can be applicable to other markets as well. So listen this carefully, because it might give you good trading insights. But now let's roll on, and I will show you some specific strategies. First things first, I will start with my favorite approach, and this is moving averages. Well, I have made dozens of videos for moving averages, and I will continue to do so as well, because this is a topic I really like because it works. Moving averages are simple indicator, simple tool which shows you direction of trends, and this is all that we need. We need to have good trends so we can make consistent money in markets, and there is no better way to do that as it is with moving averages. So one approach here might be simple moving average crossover trading system. Okay, let's start, and I will show you this in NVIDIA. So we have now NVIDIA chart, and NVIDIA chart is, yes, I just canceled it out, and it's kind of boring, right? It shows price action, but we don't have much of the indicators. And now to make it slightly better, we will just show you how it looks with moving averages. So I just now inserted moving average crossover indicator, and it simply shows crossover of two moving average indicators. Here we simply have shorter moving average with 9 and longer moving average with 20, but I will add it from that to 20 and 50, so it could look slightly better, and it works on longer trades as well. So it's simple. Once prices are shorter, moving average is above longer moving average, and prices are upwards longer moving average, we have long signals. So here prices are above all these indicators, and we are going long all the way when prices are crossing below, and we had good trend, right? Good trend and good trades. And similar situation happens here. Prices are below moving average, moving crossover is bearish, prices with lower moving average are below higher moving average, and we are going long all the way here. So it works tremendously well if we have higher price action and stronger trends. For instance, here we could make all the money, all the upwards from $117 to $130. So it's really good. You see, all the major moves are here, so we could make money in shorting stocks and by going long stocks as well. All we need to have is strong price action. And here, of course, risk management is essential, because we will have choppy markets like we have here. So that means we have to put stop losses relatively tightly. We have to put stop losses above moving average. So that means if this price action is going to reverse as it did now, we are cut off immediately, and we have only small loss once price is reverted here. And same here, if we are going upwards and going long, well, this was not a trade setup, but something might pop here. We were wrong, and we just cutted these losses here. So we'll have 3 or 4 losses here and one huge profit here. Trick is to manage losses here and maximize profits here. This is how moving average approach works with stocks and with other markets as well. But if bull market or bear market with stocks is really strong, this strategy works exceptionally well. And personally, that's why I liked it. And you could actually combine this in endless combinations, but the simpler approach, the better, because here the key is risk management. Prices will be strong, you will make money regardless. Trick is how much. For that, you have to have good risk rewards per trade and good risk management. By the way, if you want to see more examples with more stocks, stock indices and commodities with moving averages and other day trading strategies, please visit my Telegram channel. There you will see trade setups, trade analysis and trading signals. All of that is free, and you will be available to trade just the minute you are registered here. So all you have to do is visit my link, join this link, it's below the video, and you're all set. You could start to trade now and you could enhance your trading to another level. But now let's continue. Second approach I want to address today is breakout trading. This is similar approach as it is with moving averages because it follows price action, but here the trick is to see whether prices have been breaking out from previous ranges and specific price supply and strong support and resistance lines, because for most of the time markets are ranging, and then when this price range ends we are trending markets and we have strong price spikes, and these are the spikes we want to make money on. So let's see a couple of examples how we could actually trade with price breakouts. We have the same Nvidia chart here, and what I want to say about breakout trading is that you have really a lot of ways how you can actually define price breakout. It might be if prices have been breaking out from previous support and resistance lines, like we have now. For instance, it made a gap, it break out from previous support and resistance lines, and it continued this move. It done this in previous direction and made short bearish move as well. So it has been, it could be price gap, it could be round number with stock prices, or I personally like to use Fibonacci levels, because Fibonacci levels are good for showing us support and resistance lines, and these lines are meant to be broken. So for instance, now you see that prices are going downwards here, and just a second, we could make case for both bullish or bearish trends, regardless how you want to see it. Here we have a good example. Prices rose from 131 to 144, and then they reverted to crucial support line at Fibonacci level. Then it reverted back to previous height, and then it broke previous height. We had good case of price breakout, and then after that price went even higher. So this is good example of price breakout trades, and it happens all the time. This was a bullish case. Now I will show you bearish case as well. For instance, now we could see Fibonacci levels at bearish direction, and here we have opposite direction. Prices have been falling, made its new low, and then reverted to key Fibonacci level, and then they simply reverted back and made new low here as well. So this was small little profit for us to take even in strong bull market. So this is how breakout trading works. You could use many tools. You could draw your own lines, you could use given support and resistance lines, you could use Fibonacci lines, you could use round numbers. Key here is simple. If prices have been breaking out previous support and resistance levels or round numbers, there is a chance that this strong price move might be continued, and it might be small trade like I just showed you now, or it could be new trend which could be going for a long time period. But they always is simple. You make money on this quick price action. Okay, what we can conclude now. This was just a couple of examples of day trading in stock market. I used two approaches. One is moving average crossover approach, which showed how to make money on longer price action trends where you could hold your positions for 1 day or more, depending on your time frame. Because if you could use 1 minute time frame, you could trade this trade for all the day. But if you're using like even 15-minute time frame, moving averages will help you to give huge profit opportunities on those $20-30 moves, which happens from time to time in largest stocks. But with breakout trading is slightly different, because in day trading strategies breakouts happen, and these moves are lasting for just a couple of hours. As I showed you in my examples, we had quick small profits, and we had plenty of opportunities if markets are strong. So these are two approaches. One approach is for shorter term trading, which is breakout trading, and one is slightly longer term trading, which is moving averages. And we have many videos to cover about stock day trading strategies. So stay tuned and watch next of my videos about this topic, and of course join my Telegram channel as well. Bye and stay tuned.